If I had to start over from complete scratch, this is how I would make $250 per day trading. My name is Colin, and over the last 6 years, I've been developing something I call the Trinity model. It's a simple 3-step framework that's allowed me to get funded over $650,000 in prop firm funding, as well as multiple payouts. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here's the hard truth about why most traders never make consistent money. And I mean never. Not for a lack of trying, nor a lack of screen time, and definitely not for a lack of strategies. Because if you're anything like I was when you first started, you're probably tried more strategies than you can count. A new indicator setup one week, a new price action method the next, a new system every time the last one stops working. And every single time you switch, you tell yourself this is the one. This is the strategy that's finally going to click. And then it doesn't, and the cycle starts all over again. I've watched this happen to hundreds of traders. Students who come to me after years of losing money. Not because they're bad at trading, but because no one told them the real reason they're stuck. And it's not the strategies. It's something much simpler than that. And once you understand it, everything changes. Here's what's actually happening. Every time a trader loses a few trades in a row, they assume the strategy is broken. So they scrap it and they find a new one. And they start the clock all over. But here's the problem with that. No strategy wins every single trade. Not mine, nor a professional trader, nor a hedge fund. Every single strategy has losing trades built into it. And the traders who never figure that out, they spend years jumping from strategy to strategy, never staying long enough to see the results. They're essentially quitting right before the strategy starts working. And on top of that, they're making things way harder than they need to be. I've seen traders come to me with charts that look like a NASA control panel. They have indicator on indicator on indicator stacked on top of each other. And they usually have more than one ticker open at once. Signals firing from every single direction. And they genuinely believe that the more tools they have means the more their edge will improve. It doesn't. It just means more confusion, more second guessing, and more reasons to talk yourself out of a perfectly good trade. When I became consistently profitable, you know what changed? I stripped everything back. I stopped adding things to my process and started removing them. Because the market is not complicated. We make it complicated. And the moment I simplified everything down to a clean process, everything changed. My results changed completely. 3 steps. That's it. Location, confirmation, and entry. A simple 3-step framework that I use to generate consistent profits in the market. And it's exactly what I'm going to walk you through right now. Before we get into the actual model, I want to let you guys know that I do have a one-on-one lifetime mentorship. This is for me to take you through A to Z of my entire model in live time directly with me. So you don't have to sit through YouTube videos, you don't have to sit through countless hours of a course. It is direct one-on-one access to me. You get access to my phone number day and night, and I'll work with you all the way through your profitability stage. If that's something you're interested in, click the first link in the description below. I also trade live. So this model you're about to see right now, I trade live every single day in my Discord. I have a 7-day free trial for that. If you're interested in that, click the second link in the description below. Let's continue. So what does a simple 3-step process actually look like? Because I know what you're thinking. Every trading guru on the internet says their trading strategy is simple. So let me show you exactly what I mean. This model has 3 steps, and each step has one job. Step 1 tells you where to look, step 2 tells you when to get ready, and step 3 tells you when to pull the trigger. That's it. No indicators fighting each other, no conflicting signals, just 3 things that stack on top of each other, and when all 3 align, you have a trade. And the first step, the one that gives you your location, is something that most traders have heard of but are almost always using incorrectly. And it's called a fair value gap. And the way I use it is probably different than anything you've seen before. So what is a fair value gap? It's a gap left behind when the market moves too quickly in one direction. When price moves so aggressively, it skips over an entire area of price that needs to be filled. This gap doesn't just disappear, the market remembers it. And almost always, price will come back to fill in this gap. Think of it like a magnet. Price gets pulled back into these gaps before continuing in its original direction. And that's exactly how I use them. Not as a buy or sell signal, as a location, an area on the chart where I know price is likely to show up and I'm going to be ready and waiting when it does. Now, here's the rule that makes this actually work. I only trade fair value gaps on the 15-minute or higher. 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, those are the only fair value gaps that exist in my model, because low time frame gaps are noise. High time frame gaps are intention. They're where serious money has moved through the market and left a footprint behind. So every morning before market opens, I sit down and I draw every bearish or bullish fair value gap on my 15-minute or higher that has not yet been tagged into. These become my levels for the day. I'm not chasing moves, I'm just identifying where price is likely to return to. That's step 1, location. Know where price is going to be before it gets there. And once it arrives, that's when step 2 comes in. So now you have your location. You've marked out your high time frame gaps before the market opens, you know exactly where price is likely to show up, and then it happens. Price tags into that high time frame gap, and now you have a decision to make. do you enter? And this is where most traders blow it, because a lot of times what they'll do is they'll have a location, they'll enter immediately and then get stopped out immediately because they don't have confirmation, which is frustrating because it stops them out right before it moves price their direction anyway. And that's one of the most frustrating feelings in trading, being right about the location and still losing money. The gap wasn't wrong, the entry was wrong. Because a fair value gap only tells you where to look. It does not tell you where to enter. For that, it does not tell you when to enter. For that, you need confirmation. And that confirmation comes from step 2 of the model, a concept that completely changes the way I read the market. And once you understand it, you will never trade without it again. Step 2 is called SMT divergence, and it comes from a mentor named ICT, same as fair value gaps. Here's the concept. NQ and ES are correlated markets, which means that they move in tandem with each other almost tick for tick. If NQ goes up, ES also goes up. If NQ goes down, ES also goes down, almost always. SMT comes into place when that correlation breaks, when NQ makes a higher high and a lower high, while ES makes a lower high and a higher high. They're supposed to move together, and they didn't, and in this instance, they didn't. That crack in correlation is the market showing its hand. It's telling you that the move that just happened was weak, and that price is about to completely reverse. So here's how it fits into the model. Price tags into your high time frame fair value gap, you don't enter, you wait. You watch NQ, and you watch ES at the time that it tags into your high time frame gap. And you wait for that crack in correlation to appear at the highs if you're bearish and at the lows if you're bullish. And you can do that by simply coming over to the top right hand side, clicking layout setup, selecting this one right here, and setting this left side to NQ and this right side to ES. That will allow you to see where your crack in correlation is. And it should be at the high in this scenario. So while NQ is making a lower high and a higher high, ES is making a higher high and a lower high in this case. That's the market telling you that this location is valid and price is ready to move. So now you have your location, you have your confirmation, but you still don't have your entry. And that's where step 3 comes in. So at this point, you have 2 out of 3 pieces. You have your high time frame gap telling you where price is likely to go. You have your SMT showing you that price is ready to move inside of that area, but you still don't have a precise entry. And in trading, precision is everything. Because the difference between a good entry and a bad entry isn't just a few ticks. It's the difference between a trade that stops you out and it's the difference between a trade that hits your target and a trade that stops you out before moving in your direction. I spent a long time having the right idea on a trade, right location, right confirmation, and still getting stopped out because my entry was sloppy. And sloppy entries mean that tight stops get run, profits get left on the table, and a winning strategy starts to feel like it doesn't work. The third step of this model fixed that completely. It gave me a precise low time frame trigger that tells me exactly when to get in, where to put my stop loss, and where to take my profit. It gives me a precise low time frame trigger for me to enter the trade on. Not close to the right time, not roughly when to enter, exactly when. And it's what ties this entire model together. Step 3 is called an inversion fair value gap, and it lives on the low time frame, such as the 1 through 5 minute. Here's how it works. You already know what a regular fair value gap is, an imbalance left behind when price moves too fast. An inversion fair value gap is what happens when that gap gets violated, when a bullish fair value gap gets closed below. That gap fills and it becomes what's called an inversion gap. And this is the level where you can finally enter your trade. Entrance on the close of the gap, stop loss above the high, targeting a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So here's the model in real time. We're going to start with a bearish fair value gap. This one's going to be on our 30-minute time frame. We then drop down and wait for price to tag into this fair value gap, which it does right here after 9:30. And if you zoom out a little bit, you can see we have a lower high and a higher high here on NASDAQ. While if we go on ES in the exact same spot, we have a higher high and a lower high. That's your SMT divergence, and it's inside of your high time frame gap, which means that you can start to look for your final step, which is that entry. If you'll notice, we actually formed a bullish 1-minute fair value gap right here as we tagged into this 30-minute gap. If this gets closed below, it will inverse and we can have our entry. As you can see, price closed below it right here, turning this into an inversion gap, allowing us to set our entry short, set our stop loss, and target a 1-to-1. And as you can see, that level did get hit. That's it. 3 steps: location, confirmation, entry. High time frame fair value gap, SMT divergence, inversion fair value gap. A simple, repeatable process that you can apply every single morning. No guessing, no overcomplicating, and no strategy hopping. Just 3 things that stack on top of each other, and when they align, you take a trade. That's the Trinity model. And that's exactly how I would build my trading process from scratch if I had to start over today. Now you have the full model. 3 steps, 3 tools, one repeatable process. If you're sitting here watching this thinking, this is exactly what I've been missing, then I want to talk to you. Because knowing the model is one thing, but bringing it into a live market, executing it consistently, and managing your emotions in real time, that's a completely different challenge. And that's exactly what my one-on-one lifetime mentorship is designed to do. This isn't a course you buy, download, and never open. This is me personally sitting down with you in live trading sessions, walking through real setups in real market conditions. You get direct access to me and my phone number for whenever you need guidance. The traders I work with don't just learn the model. They learn how to execute it under pressure, manage risk properly, and build the consistency that actually moves the needle. The application is the first link in the description below. If you're serious about finally making this work, go apply now. I also offer a 7-day free trial to my daily live trading sessions where you can watch me trade live and execute this exact model. If you're interested in that, it's the second link in the description below. I also made a free course right here on YouTube on how to start day trading as a complete beginner in 2026. It goes over this model and how to apply it with prop firms. So if you want to watch that, click the link right here. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications for future videos. It helps me greatly. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and comment down below what you want to see next, or if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.